Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I am Sivathmika Chavali. If you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. This is day 26 of being productive in coding. Today I am gonna solve count negative numbers in a sorted matrix. They have given one matrix and these matrix numbers are sorted in non-increasing order and we need to return the count of negative numbers. If you take this example, you can see there are 8 negative numbers. We need to return the 8 as our output. And coming to the example 2, there are no negative numbers. So they have written 0 as our output. Let's solve this problem. For this, I will take I value as row, grid dot length I plus plus, and inner loop j value as column, grid of 0 dot length j plus plus. See, I represents row, zeroth row, and j will represents column. So it will check for 4 and then 3 and then 2 and then minus 1. As if it met this condition, then it will immediately this inner loop will stop its execution and outer loop will start its execution again. Now before I value is 0, after this execution second time the inner loop, now I value increment to plus 1. Now this row will be this row will be again execute, and then this one and then this one. In this way the loop will continue. So while traversing itself, we need to count whether that value that is present in the row column that is negative or positive. If it is negative, we need to count. If it is not negative, means we just need to do nothing. For this, we should take another variable called count, and we need to give the condition like if that value that is present in the grid of I comma j is less than 0. If it is less than 0, count the numbers, that means that is a negative number, and count those negative numbers. At last we need to return the count value. Let's execute. It passed. Now submit the code. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.